Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how Brazilians made football. Brazilian football is famously known as Jogo Bonito, or the beautiful game. This distinctive style prioritizes individual skill, dazzling dribbling, and creative improvisation over rigid tactics. It's a philosophy that reflects Brazil's vibrant culture, where passion and joy are expressed through every touch of the ball. This approach has captivated fans worldwide for decades. The heart of Brazilian football lies in Ginga, a style deeply rooted in Afro-Brazilian communities and favelas. Ginga emerged from street football and was heavily influenced by capoeira, a traditional martial art. This unique approach emphasizes fluid, rhythmic movements, deceptive feints, and constant improvisation. It allows players to express themselves with agility and creativity, making them unpredictable on the pitch. Jogo Bonito is characterized by its focus on exceptional dribbling, close ball control, and an undeniable attacking flair. Brazilian players are renowned for their technical proficiency and remarkable adaptability, performing under pressure with grace. This expressive and artistic style of play has not only brought immense success to Brazil, but has also profoundly influenced and inspired footballers and coaches across the globe. Brazil's unique footballing philosophy has led to an incredible 5 FIFA World Cup titles, a testament to its effectiveness. Legendary players such as Pelé and Ronaldinho perfectly embodied the Jogo Bonito spirit, captivating audiences with their skill and joy. While the game evolves, the essence of Brazilian flair remains. For more great tips and deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.